What is going on YouTube? Today I got cameraman Jay again with me.
Yo, what's good, boys?
We're gonna restore some carbon fiber. So this shit is faded away, so basically we're just gonna make it look brand new again. So what you're gonna need, some gloss. I don't even know what this is called, but something like this, bro. Get something like this. You're gonna need some sandpaper, something to cover up so you can protect your paint, and then water because you're gonna wet sand the carbon fiber. So let's get started, y'all.
Later that night. Later. Many hours later. Many unbearable hours later. Meanwhile. Much later.
Alright guys, so we just finished up prepping the car. It is not, the best, but we just gonna do the top part. I was gonna do the whole thing, but bruh, it is dark out and yeah. So we just gonna do the top part and then, yeah man. So we gonna wet sand. So all we gonna do is get some sandpaper, wet it up, sand this whole top part, and then yeah, get to it, man. After you're done wet sanding, this is what it should look like. A lot better. Yo, Jason, put the flash right here, all this. So yeah. So now the spray, the clear coat should help it, a lot. It should help it pop. So let's get the spraying, man. Let's get the spraying. Alright guys, so now we're gonna hit it with the spray paint. This whole thing. So let's see. One coat. Guys, I'm about to give it the second coat, but first, hold up. I'm gonna hit this. Oh, the thing is, look, bro, if I spray this shit, it's gonna hit all over here. You don't think so?
Spray it good, fool. Oh, that shit might go all the way.
Now we're gonna give it another one on top. Put the flash, bro. This should be the final coat. Alright guys, this is how it ended up looking. Looks way better than it did before. Faded for sure. Right, Fastline?
Yeah, man, that shit was good. It came perfect and everything, you feel me? It came nice.
But yeah, bro, if you're gonna do this, man, make sure you have sun, because we was doing this shit in the dark. Make sure you have lighter sandpaper, because you kind of see scratches. It's not perfect, but it definitely looks better than it did. This side's like glossy and this side's matte. Shit. Hey man, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Alright guys, this is how it looks like in the daytime. So there's obviously some imperfections, like right here I was spraying too close, so you could like at a certain angle you could see yeah, about to rain. But this is how it came out, y'all. If y'all do this, make sure you have some sunlight so this could dry good, because we was doing this shit at night. Make sure you cover the whole thing. Make sure you cover your whole car good. You feel me? You don't want to get no paint on your car. I didn't get no paint on it, but just make sure you do the whole thing too, so it can look the same. Or not, it's gonna look glossy like right here, and then up here is gonna look matte. But that's how it looks like, y'all. Didn't come out too bad. No, I'm not mad with it. I like it. Carbon fiber still pops. Like when the sunlight hits it, it still pops. Like you see right there. Yeah, man. But yeah, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Do it right. Do it better than me. Yeah.